Hey friends, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, please, if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe and press the bell button so you can get all the videos I make. Today's video is about another Easter craft, and it is such a gorgeous, very quick craft. I'm going to show you guys. I already made it, but I will show you what I did. So that's an Easter place cards, and do it yourself. You can make it within few dollars for 6 people. My girls wanted to put their cups there, so I have it there. And I did not put it on a dining table setting. I just wanted to show you some, just filming it in my bedroom. But it's really looking gorgeous. So let me show you how I did this. Okay, so the first step is I use these Dollar Tree Easter eggs and use whatever color you want to. Maybe I should go with purple. Okay, so I'm gonna use purple and then just open up the egg and break it apart in 2. So then we're gonna use our glue gun and just a smidge of glue gun. Not much. In my opinion, if you wanted to keep it permanent, I would use E6000 as opposed to glue gun because it really took forever. So here, that's done. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes. Okay, since it's dry, it doesn't take much long, probably a couple minutes. And here is the, I'm using this foam for this, and that I got from, I have these for a while Dollar Tree, whatever parts. So I am going to use this and place it in, probably, place it in here. Just place it however you can. Okay. There we go. Pretty good. Okay, after that I bought this mask, $1. It's a lot. It was a lot. One of my video you might have seen. I'm gonna place it in here. However, it should be like not all inside. Should be kind of little out, like you're seeing a nest or so. So like just this. So the next step is these eggs. I bought it from Dollar Tree, guys. And it was 10 for a pack. Just plus, they're in the plastic bag like this, 10 in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna place these just like that, right? So, here. And I'm gonna do the second one just like this, okay? And the third one I am going to break a bit because we don't want the same height. You can see the third one, I placed all 3 of them. The next step is I bought these chalkboard tag for $1. So I'm gonna calculate. These comes 6 in a pack. So there you go, 6 in $1. These comes 10 in a pack. So you only need 3 parts. So you will buy 2 of these. Please don't go to buy right now. So 1 and 2, $3, and a mask is 1 for all 6. Okay, and then you can buy $1 kind of sponge. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For $8 you can get beautiful name tags just like these. So pretty. So let's open this up and we're gonna place it right here in the right there, and I'm gonna write a name. I am going to write my little boy's name. So here it is. It's all ready and you can see it looks beautiful. I just chalk painted. I would suggest only write initials, and if you don't want to use chalk, you can always use Dollar Tree small alphabets letter. I really adore how it turned out to be. Another thing I wanted to tell you, that you can use it as a planter, and I'll show you in a second that as well. But I just wanted to show you how beautiful it looks like. Gorgeous. So you can also use it as a planter. Let's take this off and place a plant. Okay, here I have this little tropical plant from the Dollar Tree. It's what they call succulents. So it looks really cute. Besides that, we can take it out and then we can place another. The mosses, I would glue it, but you know what? I am just teaching you. I'm not going to really use them much, so probably not. Gluing is not a great idea right now. So just put plants in there. Can you guys see it? That's a problem with my videos right now. Here. I think they look really adorable.